Hi guys, this is Susan and Henry from SoCal Solar Panel Cleaning Company, and I am showing you two products that we have that we are holding a drawing for a lucky winner, that we will be giving this away, one of two products to a lucky winner on December 24th. This is a Slick Tool Wrangler wire mesh dispenser right here, and this product here is a Watchel panel cutter. This cuts the wire mesh very smoothly, and if you want to enter our drawing, what you have to do is we're going to upload this to our YouTube channel, and on this particular video you have to click the like button, and you have to respond on the comment section that you are either a past subscriber or a current subscriber, or you are a brand new subscriber. Let us know in the comments, and also let us know where you are from, and those are the rules to qualify for our drawing that we will have on December 24th. A lucky winner will have this as a Christmas present, one or the other products, not both, but one or the other. You will be eligible to qualify for our drawing that we will have. Again, in order to qualify this particular video, you have to click the like button, and you have to make a comment on the comment section that you are a current subscriber, you're a past subscriber, or that you are a new subscriber, and that where you are from, and that will qualify you for the drawing. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to give us a call at area code 909-552-1381, and we will be more than happy to answer any questions you have about these two particular products that we got from Slick Tools. And if you would like to know where we got these, we can direct you to we will have a link for you in order for you to order it if you'd like. But again, this is for a drawing that we're going to have on December 24th, and you can win one or the other product. Not both, but one or the other will go to a lucky winner. Again, thank you very much for joining us on this video. We will catch you guys on the next one.